Hello everyone. So today we'll learn COUNTIF and SUMIF functions. So let me tell you how does the function work. COUNTIF, as the name suggests, count if. Count means to count something and if means there should be a condition. So it only counts if there is a condition. So the definition is this function counts value based on a specific criteria. So in this database you can see serial number, name, address, category and sales are there. Now if we want to count the number of employees that is from Kolkata, so Kolkata is the criteria based on which we will count how many employees are there. This is the COUNTIF function. So you can see this total number of employees from Kolkata, and here I will apply the COUNTIF function. As you can see, there are two arguments, one is range and the other is criteria. So the range will be that one in which the criteria will reside. That means if we take Kolkata as criteria and Kolkata belongs to address column, so we have to select address column as its range. So we have to remember that the range should be the cell range in which the criteria will reside. So we are selecting the address column. We are not selecting the heading. Now we are putting comma, and under criteria we are applying double inverted comma and writing Kolkata. Closing it, closing the bracket and hitting enter key. As you can see, it is showing 2. That means 2 employees are there who belong to Kolkata. You can see this. If we apply filter to it and we select Kolkata, we can see that 2 records are found. That means our calculation is correct. So that's all from COUNTIF. Another is there, total number of employees from food category. Now if we are considering food category, that means food should be the criteria and food resides under category column, so it will be the range. So let me apply this. Again I am selecting the category column without heading, then putting comma, and now within inverted comma I am writing food. We have to type exactly the same word that is there within the database. Now we are hitting the enter key. We can see 4 employees are there that belong to food category. Let me show you. See this, 4 data are there, so our calculation is correct. So this is the utility of COUNTIF. If you are given a database with large amount of data and you have to count something based on a criteria, you can easily apply COUNTIF. This is the utility of COUNTIF. Now we'll come to SUMIF. As the name suggests, we will sum up if there is a condition. It will add up values based on a specific criteria. So we have been given a database and the question is total sale made by employees from Delhi. So we have to calculate the total sum of sales made from Delhi. So let me write the function, and as you can see there are 3 arguments. One is range, another is criteria, and the other one is sum range. So the range will be the same as the previous one, and the criteria will be Delhi, and range will be that column in which Delhi resides, and sum range means the range of the cells that represent some value. That means here if we want to sum up the total amount of cells, then we have to select the sales column as its sum range. So we are applying it. Range should be the column in which the criteria will reside. That means Delhi. Delhi is from address, so we are selecting the address column, then putting comma. Within criteria we are writing Delhi. And now to give the sum range, we are selecting the sales column. From this column the values will be added up. We are closing bracket, now pressing enter. We can see that 2250, this is the total sale made by the employees from Delhi. Now I will show you by filtering it. So we are applying filter on address. We are selecting Delhi only and pressing OK. Now it is showing 1250 and 1000. That means if we add it up, then it will be 2250. That means our calculation is correct. You can see the sum is 2250. So this is the utility of SUMIF. If you have a large amount of data and you will have to add up some values based on specific criteria, as I have showed you, you will have to apply SUMIF. Now another question is there, total sale made by employees from garment category. So the category column will be your range, and the category will and the criteria will be garment. So now SUMIF, we are selecting category as its range, then we are giving the criteria, that is garment, and now we have to select the sum range, that means the sales column. 4840, and let me check. I am applying filter on category column. We are selecting garment, pressing OK, and now if we add up this, you can see in the sum it is showing 4840. So our calculation is correct, 4840. So this is called SUMIF function. I think both the functions are clear. Thank you for watching the video.